All right, today I'll be talking about compound inequalities and absolute value inequalities. First, compound inequalities. There's two types, but the general definition is two inequalities that are joined together. Here's an example. This is what we call an AND inequality, and it can be written in this way as well. All right, if we solve this, we just treat it like a normal equation, and we do things on both sides. So we subtract 7 from both sides. So we subtract it from the 13 and the 17. So we get 2x's between 6 and 10. And then we divide both sides by 2, so we get x between 3 and 5. So our final answer is x is greater than 3 and less than or equal to 5. So this is called an AND compound inequalities, which is two inequalities that intersect or connect. The other type of inequality is an OR inequality. It's a graph of two inequalities that do not connect or intersect. Okay, the graphs go in different directions. So here's an example. Y minus 2 is greater than negative 3, or y plus 4 is less than or equal to negative 3. And we have to solve them separately. And we get this as an answer, and if you graph them, they would go in different directions. So I hope you have a better understanding of the two types of compound inequalities.